So welcome back everyone, Mike here, and welcome to part 2 of knocking them down. What I'm doing here, I have a Bobcat E63 excavator that I rented from Bobcat of Pittsburgh, and I have it down here at the brick house, and I'm knocking down these big old dead pine trees, getting them out of the way, and getting ready to put a new lawn in down here at the brick house. That'll probably be the end of April, early May, maybe something like that. So what I'm trying to do, I dig all around the trees, knock these things over, and then I push all that dirt back in the stump hole. And then as I'm carrying stuff down to the brush pile, I'm purposely running over those holes as much as I can, trying to pack that down. That's one downside in your yard when you push trees over and you dig stumps out. Actually, I kind of like grinding stumps, you know, just grind them down about 6 or 8 inches below the surface. I don't have a grinder, so this works pretty well, but you just have to make sure you get good compaction back in that hole, or you always have soft spots and wet spots. So like I said, every time I'm going by one of those spots on the excavator, I just keep tracking it in, trying to pack it down. I got kind of a mess going on here right now, but I expected that because these pine trees, there's thousands of limbs, thousands. They're all dead. You touch something, they just explode. They go all over the place. I'll show you what I got here, kind of what the plan is, and we'll go from there. All right, so far I've taken down 5, no, maybe 6 so far. And I'm telling you, these things are a mess. If you look here on the ground, I got branches everywhere, but what I'll do, I'll kind of pick up, clean up, rake up the bigger ones with the Bobcat and the thumb. And I'll tell you what's really gonna work good down here to clean this up is like the RK37 or even Sherman with that landscape rake and the grapple on the front. I'm looking forward to doing that. So I'm not gonna get too particular right now about cleaning up. I'll just get the big stuff, put that landscape rake on when I'm all done, and just start making laps, and it'll be pretty nice. Anyway, I'm gonna go root out those ones that I got over there, take them down to the burn pit, and then take that one down next. All right, now I'm just gonna rake up some of the sticks and the debris, and I'll fill in that big stump hole there behind me, but I'm not gonna get too carried away because I have a couple more trees to come down yet, and I can dress all this up with the tractor and the grapple, and the landscape rake will do a really nice job. I just can't get over how nice it is today. Well, it looks a lot different now than it did a few hours ago. We're getting there. Days like this, you wish they just wouldn't end. I mean, it is just perfect out. There's some geese, you can probably hear them. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.